Very good morning. So today I'll be completing um, 6.2 exercise. 6.2 exercise. Um, Yesterday in my previous class we have done up to sixth problem. Now I am going to do the remaining 4 problems. Okay, remaining 4 problems, and remaining 4 problems we have I am going to do. I don't know whether my sound is audible or not. Let me check. So let me do 6.2 exercise and question number 7. Question number 7, using 6.1 theorem, that means basic proportionality theorem. Exercise 7th question, I'm sorry. I have to do 7th question. Prove that line drawn through the midpoint of one side. Okay, he has given through the midpoint of one side. That means I am reading the problem and I am drawing the figure. So ABC, and let us say D is the midpoint. That means AD is equal to BD. Through the midpoint of one side drawn parallel to one side. Let us draw a line parallel to one side, that means BC. So this line is meeting AC at E, and this line is also parallel to BC. Two things he has given. Hello, my voice is audible. My voice is audible or not? I am unable to hear in my. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So I am I'm just doubtful about my voice is coming to, my voice is properly gone or not. So it's coming. So, yeah, you said जिगर 777 कन्वर्स का प्रूफ हम बाद में बताएंगे. ये क्वेश्चन हम कर देंगे पहले. सो इसमें गिवन two things are given. AD is equal to BD, and one more thing is given, DE is parallel to BC. Now what he is asking us to prove is it bisects the third side. That means you have to prove that AE is equal to CA. So now let us have proof. I told you, whenever there is a triangle, a line parallel to one side, let us say in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. This is given. So you can apply basic proportionality theorem here. So AD by BD is equal to AE by CA. This is basic proportionality theorem. So now because AD is equal to BD, in the place of BD I will write AD, I will write BD. So BD and AE by CE. So BD will get cancelled 1. If you do cross multiplication, AE is equal to CE. This is what we have to prove. This is what you. Now same thing, converse of basic proportionality theorem also. Right? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides two sides in the same proportion, then it is parallel to the third side. So now let me go to question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. So all difficult questions have removed from this 8th question. Using the theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. So here also, line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Let us take ABC is a triangle, and let us take the midpoint of two sides. D is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AC. So the line joining these two midpoints is parallel to the third side. Okay. So we have to prove that. Now in this what is given? In this what is given? AD is equal to BD and AE is equal to CA. Okay. So then RTP DE is parallel to BC. Now proof. What is proof? Now AD by BD is equal to 1 because they are equal parts. In the same way, AE by CE is also equal to 1 because they are equal. So that implies from the above two equations, we get AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. That means DE is dividing two sides in the same proportion. That means DE divides other two sides in the same proportion. In same proportion, I will write ratio. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC. So here we have used converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So very simple question and important question. All these are 2 marks questions. Right. Let me go to another question. We have done this question in a different way in class 3, class 9. So now let us go to one more question. It's an important question, trapezium question. ABCD is a trapezium. Let me draw a trapezium. let us name it A, B, C, D. Either you have to come clockwise or anti-clockwise. So then AB is parallel to CD, parallel mark, and their diagonals are intersecting at O. Diagonals are intersecting at O. This is O, and we have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by RTP. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay. So for this you have to take again basic proportionality theorem. For that we have triangles, but we don't have a parallel line. So I will draw a parallel line through O. You can draw completely, or you can draw just one. So let me name it as a EF. So EF is parallel to AB. That means construction, draw EF parallel to AB. So that implies as AB is parallel to CD, therefore EF is also parallel to CD. So that means AB is parallel to EF is parallel to CD. So this is as per the construction we got this result. Now we can apply basic proportionality theorem. I will take in triangle ABD. Okay, and EO is parallel to AB. So therefore by basic proportionality theorem, DE by AE is equal to DO by BO. Okay. So this is a first equation. Now in the same way I will take another triangle, BDC triangle. Okay, BDC triangle. In triangle ADC. So then what happened? EO is parallel to CD. Therefore, DE by AE is equal to CO by AO. This is second equation. In both the equations, left hand sides are equal, therefore right hand sides are equal. So DO by BO is equal to CO by AO. So with little, because he asked AO by BO, so this BO we will take it up. Okay. So then CO will be replaced. So then what happens? So then what happens? DO by CO is equal to DO by CO is equal to BO by AO. You can reverse it. So CO by DO is equal to AO by BO. This is what is you can prove it. So this is what is question number 8? A very, very important question, trapezium question. Okay. So you can do in two more methods also. Whatever method is comfortable to you, you can choose. Right? So let me do one more question. One more question. Last and final question. The diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD it's, you have to prove that it is a trapezium. Quadrilateral, but he asked us to prove trapezium, so that we will draw a trapezium. Assume that this is not a trapezium first in the beginning. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have to prove that it is a trapezium. That means AB is parallel to CD, that you have to prove. Keep it in the mind. So diagonals are intersecting at O. Same thing in the previous problem. Diagonals are intersecting at O. Okay. And given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is given. Now, using this, you have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. So, ultimately, you should prove AB and CD parallel. So, now to apply basic proportionality theorem, we don't have parallel line. Let us draw parallel line through O to one side. Okay, that means this is a parallel line to AB. Okay, so that means let us say this is EF. We have drawn EF. Draw EF through O parallel to AB. If you show EF is parallel to CD, then automatically AB will become parallel to CD. So this is our ultimate goal. Now we have to use AOCO also. Okay. So, and let us take ABD triangle. ABD triangle. So then EO is parallel to AB. So you can apply basic proportionality theorem. AE by DE is equal to AO by DO by BO. This is first equation, basic proportionality theorem. And another one is you take another triangle. Okay. In the place of DO by BO, I can write AO by CO. Because from the given. So this I have applied it. Okay. So then AE by DE is equal to AO by CO. That means EO is parallel to CD by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So therefore EF is parallel to CD. That implies AB is parallel to CD. Therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. So this is how you have to go with the 10th problem with this 6.2 exercise is over. Okay, so now with this I'll close the class and subscribe my channel, and if you are having any doubts you can contact me through my app. Okay, Dear Teacher app, प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर दो, मेरे से डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट में रहो. I can give you some practice problems also. Bye bye.